night turns tragic.
I'm Weather Channel meteorologist Jeff Morrow, keeping you updated on a severe weather outbreak we think will occur as we head through the rest of this evening and through the overnight hours in parts of northern Texas and on into Oklahoma. Places like Oklahoma City, even Dallas and Tulsa a little bit later on could be affected by these storms, which could have very gusty winds, very large hail, and even some isolated tornadoes. And I want to show you the first tornado warning that we have had issued so far. This is in parts of Kiowa County and Comanche County, including the town of Cooperton, and that is out until 6:30. So about another 28 minutes or so till the bottom of the hour. Right now, it's saying that this tornado is observed. We'll double check on that for you, but it looks like there are a lot of storm spotters out there. And if you look closely, there's starting to be what we call a hook developing here as the precipitation starting to wrap around. So the tornado would be right in that area where I'm drawing right there, where there's a little bit of a inside the hook, so to speak. Let's get a little bit of a closer inspection of that. There's the hook right there. So that's the precipitation wrapping around the circulation. And so your circulation is kind of like that, going around in a circle, and then the tornado would be right in the middle there. Let's take a closer inspection. There's the beginnings of that circulation. You see the red area and then the green and the blue just off to the left of that. So there's your circulation right there. There's the potential tornado generally heading off toward the northeast. This is well east of Roosevelt now, having crossed over Route 54 and is generally headed off into mainly rural areas. So that's a good thing. Nonetheless, starting to get more rotation with this system, and indeed the storm spotters have reported back to the Weather Service there's an observed tornado on the ground with this particular storm. Besides that, there's some very, very large hail indicated with this in the order of maybe 2, maybe 2.5, even 3 inches in diameter near Roosevelt, now moving to the east of that. So that's another potentially damaging part of this storm. So once again, we're talking about just the beginnings of a severe weather outbreak. There is a tornado watch extending all the way from the Kansas and Oklahoma border right on down into parts of northwest Texas near Wichita Falls. That does include both Tulsa and Oklahoma City. Again, we have a tornado warning out here right now. This is well southwest of Oklahoma City, but it's a well-defined hook echo with this system, an observed tornado in Comanche and Kiowa counties. We'll keep you updated here on the Weather Channel. Keep it tuned here.
It's gonna heat up, smoke, then catch fire.